Hello everyone, take a bottle and then cut off the top portion of it. Now taking a square sheet of paper, cut off one of the edges to make it more curved. Taking a cup, cut off the base and then stick multiple of these sheets that you have cut up into curves all around this cup. Stick only the middle of it and then take it off once you have added multiple layers. It should look like a flower. Add it to the bottle portion of it that you have cut off. Taking a tissue paper, add it around and it should make a bouquet. Take a bottle and then cut off the base of it, add a thread to it. Take multiple 5 by 21 cm sheets and then make multiple slits on it. Add tape on one of the ends and then cut off the slit. Now add this one layer to the bottle. Taking the rest of the sheets that you have designed, make petal-like shapes and then wrap them around the bottle after you have cut them out. Make multiple layers of this and make sure that the last layer is green in color to signify the leaves. Spread out each of the colors that you have made. Curve them using any cylindrical object such as a pen. Add a light on the inside and hang it up as decoration. Take a rectangular sheet of paper and then fold it into half, add tape on one of the ends, make multiple slits in the center as such. Stick them together, add tape on the other end as well and then roll it up. Now taking another square sheet of paper, fold it over multiple times into a triangle, cut it out to form these flowers. Next, take a yellow sheet of paper and then fold it over horizontally multiple number of times. After you have done this, fold it into half, add tape, stick it together. Make the edges curved, add multiple of these together, add some cardboard paper in the center to signify the center of the flower. Add checks to it as well, add the stem and then wrap it in a sheet of paper. Now we will be making these roses. Take a rectangular sheet of paper, fold in either of the sides and the ends to make it look like arrowheads. After you have done this, fold in the sides and then fold it into half. Make 3 of these, join them together using a rubber band. Now unfold each of the layers that you have created upwards. It should look like a flower. This is what it should look like. Take a toothpick and then curve the edges to make it look all the more realistic and better. Taking a green sheet of paper that is square in nature, fold it over multiple times to form a triangle and then cut it up in order to form the stem. Add a cylindrical shape to this flower, add the leaves as well. Now take a red circular sheet of paper, take multiple of these, stick them one on top of the other after folding them into half. Make an entire circle out of this, add a face in the center, add the stem and then add a bouquet. Next, we will be taking a green sheet of paper, wrap it up in a cylindrical shape and then add tape to the edge to make it stay in place. Wrap another small yellow sheet around it as well and then wrap a pink sheet around it. Make multiple of these and it should look like flowers. Wrap a paper around it to make it look like a bouquet. Take some clay that is red in color and then roll it on a flat surface. Flatten it after you have done this. Now roll it in a circle in on itself. Slightly twist it as you move on with the layers. Make multiple of these and it should look like a rose. Cut up a bottle, fill it in with any material and then for the top layer add clay. Stick on all the roses that you have taken, cut a mask into multiple pieces and then add the layers as the outside of the bouquet. Add a bow to it as well for aesthetic appeal. Now we will be learning how to make this fan. Start off by taking a cup, make multiple cuts on it. Cut the cup according to the markings that you have created and then bend them slightly onto the other side. Cut up the edges as such. Add an internal layer and then cut out this internal layer. Add tape to this internal layer and then stick flowers to it. In the center, add a toothpick and then add a straw. Now we will be learning how to make these tulip flowers out of paper. Take a square sheet of paper, fold it into a square after folding it twice. Now cut out heart shapes out of it. Take a green sheet of paper, wrap it in a cylindrical form, add tape to one of the ends. Stick the top onto it. Thank you for watching.